Remember, there is no such thing as a safe drone. This is a DJI Mini 4 Pro, and it's as safe as can be. That's if you use the obstacle avoidance.
Just riding the bike around my new school. I'm impressed with the active track feature that it has with this Mini 4 Pro. Pretty good for 2024, but I think it can do better.
Sasrikal G. Sasrikal G. Let's see how it tracks. Not bad though. It senses the fence, then it goes above it. This is my favorite part when it tracks from the front. I like that. Or sometimes from the side if you want. Pretty impressive. Oh, this is the terrible and sad part. I had to stop the drone because I did, I was approaching an intersection, so I had to land the drone. I put it in sports mode to land it, but I was too close. It was too close to my face, and it sliced my chin and a part of my nose. Ay ay ay. I was in a hurry, So, ouch.
Be careful next time.